Well, in North Carolina, way back in the hills, lived my pappy and had him a still. Brewed white lightning till the sun went down, and then he filled him a jug and he passed it around. Mighty, mighty pleasing, and my pappy's cold and squeezing, and it's all the white lightning now. Heaving, heaving, revenues too, searching for the place where he made his brew. They were looking, trying to book him, but my pappy kept on cooking. Yeah, white lightning. I asked my pappy why I called his brew white lightning instead of Mountain Dew. I took one sip and then I knew, as my eyes bugged out and my face turned blue. Mighty, mighty pleasing, and my pappy's cold squeezing, and it's called the white lightning. Yeah, heaving, heaving, revenues too, searching for the place where he made his brew. They were looking, trying to book him, but my pappy kept on cooking. White lightning. Came and he said I'm mighty tough. I think I wanna taste that powerful stuff. He took one slug and he drank it right down, and I heard him a moaning as he hit the ground. Mighty, mighty pleasing, and my pappy's corn squeezing, and it's called a white lightning. Yeah, heaving, heaving, revenues too, searching for the place where he made his brew. They were looking, trying to book him, but my pappy kept on cooking. Yeah. White lightning. Heaving, heaving, revenues too, searching for the place where he made his brew. They were looking, trying to book him, but my pappy kept on cooking. Yeah, white lightning.